What you got?
What do you see?
What is it?
Ooh.
What is that? What did Santa bring you? Huh?
See, look.
What you got?
We can play.
Oh, you got your own table like at Cha-Cha Cheese. Is that cool? Oh my gosh. Here, hit it. Here, hit it. That's just your size. How cool is that? Do you like it? No.
Come on, put it on the table. Let's play.
Will you turn that fireplace off? It's hot. It feels warm in here. You want Daddy to show you how?
Daddy.
Okay, ready? You hit it.
Do you like your game?
You need to be about 6 inches taller.
Yeah.
Or we're gonna make it double.